WeTrac sent me this cervical neck stretcher, and so thankful. Me and my husband used it right away last night. So you can adjust this a few different ways. You can adjust how far apart these cushions are right here, and then you can adjust the angle. It's pretty easy. You just flip it over and pinch these little guys in, and it slides up or down and clicks into place. What is also adjustable is the head strap. So you have a Velcro strap right here that you just open up and make it bigger or smaller as you need. And then here is what pulls your neck. So it says you don't want to go over that 40 pounds. Once you crank it, I like this one better than the air pump one. It's really easy to use. I thought it might be difficult to twist the knob, but it is not. This is it. I can do it with one hand. And after, I feel like it was about past the 0, you start seeing it and feeling it move up. So you just keep going slowly and it goes up. When it's actually in use, we go a lot slower. You want to be really careful and not twist this cable. So when we hold it, we just hold it like this so that you can see it as well. So we'll twist it so that you can see it moving up and how slowly it moves up. And then to release it, you can see right here that right now we're not even at 10 pounds of pressure yet, and you just push the button and it automatically does it on its own. So you don't have to do anything else. You just keep twisting until that reads 0. Super easy and user-friendly. I love that it came with this bag that it fits in super easily right out of the box. This was not in there. I did not even have to read the directions to know that it just laid straight in there, and it's really squishy. If you don't have this in there, you have like hard plastic. So you want to make sure this is in there. And this strap also moves up or down depending on where your head is. You can take it off and move it in this slot if your forehead is higher. So it is very adjustable in multiple different ways. It fits in here nicely. Once you slide it in, you strap it down with these straps, and it is a padded bag. The padded bag also has a handle right here and a strap to carry it with. So it can be moved anywhere you need it to. It came with some instructions right here, and this was on there. It says how to use the knob. It was sitting right on top of this, and then you have other papers that came in there, safety instructions and warnings, all the papers. Overall, we have loved using this the last few days. Super user friendly and comfortable too.